Hello everyone! Today we're exploring the top foods that can naturally boost estrogen levels in women. From flax seeds and soy products to leafy greens and fruits like berries, these choices can support hormone balance and overall health. Stay tuned to discover how these simple additions to your diet can help promote optimal estrogen levels and enhance your well-being. Today, we will talk about top foods to boost estrogen for women. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Boosting estrogen levels in women can be beneficial for various aspects of health, including reproductive health, bone density, and overall well-being. Estrogen is a group of hormones that play essential roles in regulating the menstrual cycle, supporting fertility, maintaining bone strength, and influencing mood. While estrogen levels naturally fluctuate throughout the menstrual cycle and decline during menopause, certain foods can help support estrogen production and balance. This guide explores the top foods that can boost estrogen levels in women, supported by scientific evidence and expert insights. 1. Soy products. Soy products contain phytoestrogens, plant-based compounds that have estrogen-like effects in the body. The two main types of phytoestrogens in soy are isoflavones, such as genistein and daidzein, and lignans. These compounds can bind to estrogen receptors and exert weak estrogenic effects, potentially helping to balance estrogen levels. Sources of soy include tofu, a versatile soy product that can be used in various dishes. Soybeans, edamame, and other whole soybeans are rich in protein and fiber. Soy milk, a dairy-free alternative to cow's milk. Tempeh, fermented soybean product with a nutty flavor. Soy protein isolate, used in protein powders and supplements. Incorporating moderate amounts of soy products into the diet may support estrogen levels and overall hormonal balance in women. 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, a type of phytoestrogen that may help modulate estrogen levels in the body. Lignans have weak estrogenic effects and can bind to estrogen receptors, potentially supporting hormonal balance. Ways to consume flax seeds include ground flax seeds. Add ground flax seeds to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or baked goods. Flaxseed oil. Use flaxseed oil in salad dressings or drizzle over cooked vegetables. Flaxseed meal. Incorporate flaxseed meal into baking recipes as a substitute for part of the flour. Flax seeds provide fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and other nutrients in addition to supporting estrogen levels. 3. Whole grains. Whole grains are a good source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Certain whole grains also contain phytoestrogens that can help support estrogen levels in women. Examples of whole grains with phytoestrogens include oats provide soluble fiber and beta-glucans, which support heart health and digestion. Barley contains beta-glucans and fiber that promote satiety and digestive health. Brown rice provides fiber, B vitamins, and minerals like manganese and selenium. Quinoa, a complete protein source that is also rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Including whole grains in meals can provide nutritional benefits and support estrogen levels in women. 4. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, supporting overall health and hormonal balance. Some fruits and vegetables also contain phytoestrogens or other compounds that may influence estrogen levels. Examples include berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants and fiber. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes provide vitamin C and other nutrients. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are nutrient-dense and support overall health. cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage contain compounds that support hormone metabolism. Apples provide fiber and polyphenols that promote digestive health and overall well-being. Consuming a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables can provide essential nutrients and support estrogen balance in women. 5. Dried fruits. Certain dried fruits contain phytoestrogens and other compounds that may support estrogen levels. Prunes, in particular, have been studied for their potential benefits for hormonal balance and bone health. Prunes. Rich in fiber, antioxidants, and potassium, prunes may support digestive health and overall well-being. Moderate consumption of dried fruits, such as prunes, can provide nutritional benefits and support estrogen levels. Lifestyle factors affecting estrogen levels. In addition to dietary choices, several lifestyle habits can influence estrogen levels and overall hormonal balance in women. Regular exercise, physical activity supports overall health, metabolism, and hormone regulation. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for hormone production and overall well-being. Stress management. Chronic stress can impact hormone balance. Techniques such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can help reduce stress levels. Maintaining a healthy weight. Obesity and excess body fat can affect estrogen metabolism. Maintaining a healthy weight through diet and exercise supports hormone balance. Limiting alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake can disrupt hormone balance and affect overall health. Avoiding tobacco use. Smoking and tobacco use can impact hormone production and have numerous detrimental effects on health. Maintaining balanced estrogen levels is essential for women's reproductive health, bone density, and overall well-being. While estrogen naturally fluctuates throughout the menstrual cycle and declines with age, dietary choices can support hormone balance and potentially enhance estrogen levels. Incorporating foods rich in phytoestrogens, such as soy products, flax seeds, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, dried fruits, sesame seeds, and garlic, can help support estrogen levels in women. Coupled with a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and maintaining a healthy weight, these dietary choices can promote hormonal balance and overall health. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.